In this video, we're going to explain you how to recover KSM when you accidentally transferred KSM to a Polkadot address using a Ledger device. Make sure you have your Ledger device near you and a device on which you can connect to Polkadot.js. To get started, plug in your Ledger device, go to Polkadot.js and make sure you have the latest version of the Kusama app installed. On Polkadot.js, click on Settings and connect your Ledger device. Open the Accounts dashboard on Polkadot.js. On your Ledger, click on the right button until you see Developed by Sondex CH. Click on both buttons simultaneously 10 times until a warning message appears. Once you see this message, continue clicking on the right button of your Ledger device until you see the option Approve. Click on both buttons of your device to activate the recovery mode. You should see KSM Recovery on your screen. On Polkadot.js, click on Add via Ledger. Give your new account a name and make sure you use the same derivation types as when you initially created your Polkadot account. In case a pop-up appears, select your device's name and click on Connect. In your list of accounts, you should now be able to see the KSM account on which your blocked funds are stored. It's time to retrieve the funds. Click on Send next to the wallet with the blocked funds. Select the address you would like to send your blocked funds to and click on Make a Transfer. Now, click on Sign and Submit and sign the transaction with your Ledger device. Make sure to double check if the amount to send and the receiving address are correct. Once you've signed the transaction with your Ledger device, a green pop-up will appear on Polkadot.js. This means the transaction has been executed successfully. Your blocked funds are retrieved and you should be able to see the correct balances on both accounts.